In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your team status not updating. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your status settings. Simply go ahead and click your profile picture, then choose a status and add status message if needed and select the duration. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and clear the Teams cache. All you want to do is simply go ahead and close the Teams app, press Windows plus R in your keyboard, and then type %app data % and look for the Microsoft folder, Teams, and then delete the cache folder. And then you can simply go ahead and restart Teams and it should go ahead and work. Always check your do not disturb. So click your profile settings notification and turn off do not disturb as it prevents status from changing. Always check automatic replies. Go to settings and automatic replies and disable or update your out of office message. You can also check your calendar status. Busy meetings will set your status to busy. Check your Outlook calendar. If that is not working, for all the technical problems, you can simply restart the Teams application, sign out and sign in, or even update the application. Always make sure that you're using a stable internet connection as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.